Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have no box up here. I don't have a box up here because I have 3 boxes down here and they were everywhere because I confess I already opened them all and I might have even already decorated with some of them. I'm showing you guys the Just Deco Spring 2022 box, and I'm going to show you guys 2 of their Valentine's boxes. The reason I want to show you the Valentine's boxes is so you can kind of get an idea of their curation and quality. So if you're looking forward to do, I don't know if they're doing a St. Patrick's box, but that's what popped into my head. If they're doing a Mother's Day box or any type of other mystery box or bundles, because they do offer those, you'll kind of have a concept for what comes in them and what they look like. But I have right here the Spring 2022 box. This is a quarterly subscription. It is $59.99 for the Spring box, but they are doing a price increase summer. So if you are already a subscriber, your grandfather claused in, you're good. If you've been debating on whether or not to subscribe, this is your last time to subscribe and get locked into that cheaper rate. I do not know what they're going up to price-wise, so that's all I know. You can use code PINKENVELOPE to get 15% off your first box. And they send about 4 to 5 home decor items each season. And they don't do like any one particular style. It is definitely trends and seasons dictate what go into the box. I like Just Deco because they don't overlap the style of any other box. They usually are pretty independent in their look, which I love because I encounter a lot of boxes and I share with you guys a lot of boxes. And I really love when they're very independent in their style. Okay, let me just really quickly show you my Valentine's boxes just so you have an idea on those. Then we'll dive into this big box. I did want to tell you guys the other thing that they do on their bundles. So like, for example, the Valentine's bundle, they did a pre-order on it. When they're pre-ordering the bundles, they're only $69.99. But once pre-order ends and they're shipping and they're leftover, whatever, the price goes up to $79.99. So if you see a pre-order pop up, run over there, take a peek and make sure it's not something that you really like so that you can snag it or not. So I have the Valentines and the Galentines. I wrote it down so I wouldn't confuse it. Let me show you guys the Decor Lovers bundle first. In the Decor Lovers, it comes with this vase. I call it a vase. It actually has a lid so it could act as a jar, but of course I'm just imagining since it's this beautiful pink and it's actually pink and it fades into a clear that I put flowers in it. That's what I did. I put fake flowers, but it obviously could hold real flowers as well. So we have this super cute vase. We got the Be Mine sign, which is really cute and it's handmade in Wisconsin. I love saying Wisconsin. By Drifter Studios. Super, super cute. Great. I like stuff like this is so good for holiday-based decorating because you could toss it anywhere. It doesn't take up a lot of space to store in the meantime. So this guy, this pillowcase, y'all, is ridiculous. It is beyond soft, like soft, soft, soft. My youngest is in love with it. So we got this pillowcase. I think I had a 19 by 19 in here. I'm trying to remember. No, 16 by 16. Huh? So close. Me and numbers. So it does require a 16 by 16 insert and it is just super fabulous. You zip it in. It's not a pink, but it's not a mauve. It's a little bit in between. Love that guy. And of course it matches this pink in this vase perfectly. Then this guy, I have little girls, so this is just right up their alley. Look how cute this heart garland is. So you could actually hang it long ways down because of the way that the shape of the hearts hang. That got really close to another word I almost said. Oopsies. You can hang it from this loop straight down on a door frame, on a ladder with blankets, or you can hang it like this as well. It really kind of is multi-use. There is nothing at the bottom, so you would have to just adhere the hook because it is kind of meant to hang straight down. But honestly, you could do whatever. You could lay it flat on a table. They are actually felt little hearts and they are multicolored. There's several different colors in the strand. So I just loved this one. This was the Decor Lovers. Of course, this is not available anymore, but several of these items are in the store. I did forget to look at the online store to check and see which of these are still available as of today filming. But if you see one of these items that you like, run over there and peek. The online store is open for anyone. You do not have to be a Just Deco member. So you can run over there and shop at your leisure. Oh, I didn't even see this in the box earlier. 1-inch round tube of Matchbox with safety matches. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I almost missed this. It says thank you on it. Oh, I'm so happy. Hold on. All up and down the package, it says love you more, love you more. And then at the top, it actually has hearts on it. And then, so this itself is cute. You pull it out. They're actually long matches, like you could light a fireplace match. Look at that guy. Isn't it funny how trends like change, but like right now, decorating with matches is super trendy. I think that is so funny. I'm here for it. I decorate with matches. But what a funny item to be like trending for decorating. Okay. The second box I want to show you is also Valentine's. It's called the Galentine's box or the Galentine's bundle. And it came with these 2 wine glasses. They're like, I think I would say foil, maybe? A pink and gold foiled glass. They're really, really cool. They are glass. And it says glassware products are not dishwasher safe. Wash by hand. Oh, well, yeah, duh. Who would stick this in the dishwasher? But I guess it's probably good that Warren is. So there are 2 of these, and you're gonna notice really quickly, these 2 boxes play really well together. Really, really cute. Is it marble? Let me see. Yes, 12-inch by 6-inch marble cheese board. It does have the leather strap so you can hang it to decorate, and it does have the feet on the bottom so that it won't slip or scratch. This item obviously is a great around the year item. It's not just a Valentine's item, but of course charcuterie at Valentine's is always fun. Love that. But the other item that is really universal from this box is this candle holder, candelabra, whatever you want to call it. The brass taper holder holds 2 candles. Very unique. Like another item that can be used whenever, however. I see this being used a lot during fall Christmas. I don't know if it's because I live in Texas and I associate candles with that time of the year, but that's what I see with this guy. And then there is this cute little heart dish. I love stoneware like this because I put them beside my sink in the bathroom and in the kitchen to take my rings off like this. And I toss them in whenever I am wearing fake jewelry that's not supposed to get wet, or if I'm about to like wash a boatload of dishes and I don't want my jewelry on. And I do rotate my dishes for the holidays. I guess when you get a bunch of these little dishes, you have that. But these are really cute. They make really good gifts also for like kiddos and stuff. So this comes in this box as well. Bundles are not available anymore because we're past Valentine's, but you can check the shop. I know this is in the shop for sure because I peeked. I don't know if the cheese board is though. That'd be worth a look. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. So if you're still watching and you're one of the few that's not skipping around the video, I'm very happy to say this is a giveaway box. If you want to enter to win a Just Deco box, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then comment below why you love Just Deco, what you love about Just Deco. If you're already a subscriber, share your experience, why you've loved it, your favorite pieces, especially if they're still in the shop, somebody can go grab them, share those. If you're brand new, take a look at this full spoiler. It is a full spoiler. Maybe don't take a look, you can decide. And then comment below what your favorite item is, what you love about what they're doing. You can get on their website and see what Melissa's up to. They're an awesome team over there. And that will enter you to win a Just Deco box. Things to know, you do have to be over 18 and you must live in the United States to enter to win. On top, we have the card. This card talks about everything that is in the box. That was your full spoiler. It does have the key colors on here so that if you're designing, you can kind of see where and how this box was curated. I can show you that a bit more in just a bit. But the item on top is this Be Our Guest mat. And if you are a TPE watcher, you know that this is like one of the things that were on my list to buy this year was one of the little mats, because I have, stepping up to my house, a narrow step. And these narrow mats look super cute on it. But after showing that, I was playing around on websites for mats and I saw a girl who literally has a welcome mat in front of the guest bedroom door of her house. And it's just a normal house, like you're just inside, but she has the mat there. And I thought that was so cute. It made it so like Airbnb feeling. So I am seriously contemplating putting this in front of the guest bedroom door because I think it is so cute. Let's see. I don't know how big it is. We can measure. It is 30 inches across and 10 inches wide. If you're like, Samantha, that is not a practical size mat. It's good for layering. So if you had a big base mat or if you want a triple layer, don't triple layer with mats this thick. Get the thin cotton outdoor mats. You could actually put out a really big one that's like a pattern, then put a solid cotton one down and then put this on top, and it really creates a cute layer when you use these like that. So sorry, I'm going on and on about this. We also have a playhouse we're building for the girls, and it's this cute little playhouse, and it has a full front door, like a grown man can stand in it. It's big, but that would be so cute for their little playhouse if Jonathan and I ever finish building it. Next, we have this vase. Look at the color in this. It is very cool, earthy pottery feel. It does have the feet on the bottom, and look at the shape. Isn't that a fun, funky shape? It is a 4 3/4 inch round stoneware for flowers with reactive glaze. I don't know if I'd call it round. It is very cool and very unique. And we did get not one, but 2 of the cutest little greeneries that are individually wrapped in craft paper. 2 different types too. And I was looking at them when I was playing with them earlier, and they're good quality. The funny thing about greenery right now is there's not a lot of good options out there. In fact, all of my home decor subscription boxes have sent better greenery than I have seen in Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's. That was a mess too. They had very limited inventory. Home Goods was okay, but there's just not really good stems out there. So I am really appreciative of these boxes sending this greenery because there are not good options out there right now. I don't know that those are supposed to go like that. That's just, realized as I was sitting them down, that was kind of funny. We also got a frameable art, and I was talking to the girls over at Just Deco, and this art print was designed exclusively for Just Deco. And so it is an exclusive print, but they were saying that they really are trying to partner more with small business artisans and craftsmen. And this is made by Katarina Fonte. I think that's how you say her name. I hope I don't mess that up. And she is an illustrator, and she custom designed this piece for the Just Deco members. And it is printed on a cardstock. So if you didn't want to put it in like a traditional frame, you could totally clip it with like an old-timey paper clip or hang it from a blanket ladder with a hook. There's a lot of options. So that guy comes in there, and it's an 8x10. I can look at it and tell you that it's a size 8x10. And then the last item, I actually haven't fully opened. Scoot this over. Let me make those look normal. I think it's a shelf. It is. It's a seagrass shelf. I have seagrass all in my bedroom. The laundry baskets, the shoe bins, everything in there is seagrass. So that is what this guy is made out of. Here's the side. Top and bottom look the same with the seagrass. And literally, you just put in 2 nails on a wall, pull down, and you're done. It hooks. Really, really easy to hang. It is actually really sturdy. Like I was wondering if you put something heavy on it, would the seagrass give? But no, that is not budging. That is really sturdy. The woven shelf adds style and space into your home with this dark natural shelf, hand woven using water hyacinth. Fancy. Style under your favorite accent mirror with lush greenery. Add in some decorative accents for the personal touch to your home. Yeah, like quite literally, it would easily hold this. Like I'm telling you, this shelf is very strong. Frame. You're done. I actually would probably try to figure out, can one of these go in here? Oh, it's really, I don't want to put these in here because they're wrapped so cute. I don't want to hide it. Wait. That's kind of cute. That is really, really cute. And running back through, one of the things that Just Deco does is adds the retail value. So it's saying the retail value for this guy is $16.99. The retail value for this mat is $17.99. For the 2 greeneries are $9.99. For the shelf is $49.99. And the retail value for the planter is $24.99. So that's a total retail value of $119.95 with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. The box is only $59.99 right now. That price is going up in summer. And then when you use code Pink Envelope, you get 15% off your first box. So there you go. This is very cute and very different from everything we've unboxed. I am loving how we're still unboxing amazing home decor subscription boxes and we're not having overlap. That makes my heart so happy. Okay, you guys, if you have any questions, put them below. The Just Deco team hangs out on the wall and they're extremely helpful, so they can loop back and answer any questions you have. I can help and answer any questions that you have. And if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel and come hang out with us down on the Facebook group listed in the description. We have all sorts of talking and chatting and decorating and brainstorming and giveaways going on over there. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.